Shri Guru Charana Padmam Kevala Bhakate Sadmam Bandamoyi Savadhana Mate Jaharam Prasade Bai Bhavatoriyam Jaham Krishna Prapti Hoi Jaham Hoite Guru Mukha Padma Vakyam Chitate Koriyakyam Aranam Koriho Mani Masham Shri Guru Charane Rati Aise Uttama Gati Jai Prasade Pure Sarva Asham. Surrendered soul to Shri Guru. When there is Guru Nishtha, whatever seva that Shri Guru might have given to us, any seva, whatever seva it might be externally. But Atayeva Nama Matra Vaishnavera Dharma. Vaishnava may do any seva externally, but the Nama has to become the Dharma of the Vaishnava. Will become. How is it? Because Shri Guru is giving the Nama. All of us we chant. The japa is there. Not just japa. Nirantara Nama has to happen. That is Vaishnava Dharma. Whatever external service is, has to be accompanied with Nirantara Nama, which is Vaishnava Dharma. And how can that Nirantara Nama happen? It is because Nama is Bhagavan, and Bhagavan is in the loving control of Shri Guru. Shri Guru is giving us this Nama, and that becomes Vaishnava Dharma. Shri Guru gives the entrance into the Nama, and that is Chidananda Amrita Dhama. So for every Vaishnava, whatever the external service that this body might be engaged in with the mercy of Shri Guru, Nama is the very Vaishnava Dharma, and this is how there will be entrance into the Nama, and one will perceive that this is Chidananda Amrita Dhama. Every devotee who has taken Guru Padashraya, it is this Guru Padashraya that takes one into Chidananda Amrita Dhama. चक्षुदान दिलो जय जन्म जन्मे प्रभु से दिव्य ज्ञान हृदय प्रकाशित प्रेम भक्ति जहाँ होते अविद्या विनाशा जाते वेद गाया हर चरित श्री गुरु करुणा सिंधु आधम जनार बंधु लोकनाथ लोकेर जीवाना हा प्रभु कोरोदयं देह मोरे पादचयं ए बेजाज कुशु त्रिभुवना श्रील प्रभुपाद पतित पावना गुरुदेव होइलो शरण जय प्रभुपदं जय प्रभुपदं श्रील प्रभुपदं Jaya Guru Devam, Jaya Guru Devam, Jaya Guru Devam, Jaya Guru Devam. Shri Guru Pyo Namah. So everything we hear about Nama is for all the Vaishnavas who has taken Guru Padashraya. Because Nama is Vaishnava Dharma. And that's the very Nama that has to go on continuously, Nirantara Nama. We will realize it's not that I am chanting, I am doing Nirantara Nama, but it's just the Nama that is being mercifully allowing me to be with the Nama, with Bhagavan. That's for every devotee, regardless of any service that we are engaged in. and Sankirtana, going out and chanting together the glories of the Lord. That may be a seva given to a specific devotee or to those devotees who are specifically attracted for Nama Shraya and to distribute that and to be engaged in that seva. That may be like that, but Vaishnava Dharma is Nama is the Vaishnava Dharma. Nirantara Nama. Nama has to become the Dharma of the Vaishnava. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Vanchakalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhyev cha patitanam pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo namo namah. All the Vaishnavas like desire fulfilling trees. They are dear to Bhagavan. Bowing down to all the Vaishnavas and taking the dust from the lotus feet of the Vaishnavas, smearing on the head and dancing in joy. Vaishnavera pada dhuli tahe mora snana keli tarpan mora Vaishnavera nama dhana mora nityananda pati mora gaura chandra. Only when Nityananda Ram becomes our dhana, only when our master teaching us what is bhakti, how to do bhakti, Gaurachandra, only when he becomes the master, the teacher of our bhakti, that's when Vaishnavera pada dhuli tahe mora snana keli can happen. It's not just because we read in the Shastra. When literally Nityananda Ram becomes our wealth and Gaurachandra becomes the teacher of our bhakti, that's when we know the value and the potency of the foot dust of the lotus feet of all the Vaishnavas. What to speak of the foot dust, the saffron dust particles of the lotus feet of a Mahat Bhakta. What to speak of the Shakti of that saffron dust particles of Mahat Bhakta. Even the foot dust of the lotus feet of a Vaishnava. Jivera Swarupa Hoye Krishnera Nitya Dasa. So, the foot dust of the lotus feet of any Vaishnava. To know that, then Nityananda Ram has to become our Dhana. Gaurachandra has to become the master teacher of Bhakti. Bhakti. Raga Bhakti, Prema Bhakti. So in this way, Pranamura Yugala Kishora. That's when the Yugala Kishora becomes our prana. So that's the sequence. Yeah. And that's the sequence for Prema Bhakti. Vrindaye Tulasi Deviyaye Priyaye Kesavasya Cham Krishna Bhakti Pradi Devi Satyavate Namo Namaha. Groves of Vrindavana. After the sequence is very prayerfully, vigilantly followed, we will be brought to the groves of Vrindavana. Nityananda Ram, Gauranga, the Nama, the Prema Bhakti, and now here in the groves of Vrindavana with Sri Radha and Krishna in Sakhir Anugatya Seva, having the darshan, the Rupa, Guna, Leela, everything. Tulasi Krishna Preyasi Namo Namaha Radha Krishna Seva Pao Eyi Abhilashi Yatomara Sharanaloi Taravancha Purna Hoi Kripa Kori Koro Tari Vrindavana Vasi Moraye Abhilash Vilas Kunja Diovas Nayani Haribo Sadam Yugala Ruparasi. Eini Vedanadharo Sakhiranugata Koro Sevadhikaro Dio Koroni Chadasi Dina Krishna Dase Hoi Yena Mora Hoi Shri Radha Govinda Prema Sadayena Vasi. This is all internal bhajan. How can one come to this internal bhajan without Nama Shraya? Ashraya of that Bhagavan in the Nama who actually brings us from external to internal consciousness. Yani kani cha papani brahmahatyadikani cham tani tani pranashyante pradakshina pade pade.